Hi Michael, I will try to help you with the solution of the problem that you sent yesterday, but before I start, I need you to remember all this colorful binomial distribution comments. So assuming that we're solving a binomial distribution problem, which is your homework problem was, there are 6 comments that we need to know, but when to use those comments also it's important. So if I'm using this red one, probability of x equals a, so it means that exactly that amount, exactly 8 people or exactly 8 cars. If I'm using the blue one, it means that this is maximum or at most. These words must be in the problem. For this one, it was exact. If I'm using this orange one there, it should be less than. The green one, it means that minimum or at least. Okay, the black one there, it's greater than. And the last one is between 2 variables. So when I look at your problem, in the problem it says that we have 53%, so then our probability will be equal to 53%. And classes of 15 adult smartphones, so then n is 15. And we want to find the probability that fewer than 3 of them. So fewer than 3 of them, so we should be using this one here. So we're looking for probability x equals less than 3. So we need to make that decision first. Which one of them are we using? X equals 8, x equals less than 8, x equals less than or equal to 8, x equals only less than 8, which is our case, greater than or equal to a, greater than a, and between a and b. So since we're using this one, that the binom comment will be binom.dist.range, and then we're going to type n is 15, probability is 0.53, 0, we have 3 there, it should be a minus 1, that should be 2. So our a here was 3. Okay, so we're gonna get that into Excel. I have done that with you. So as you see on my screen, binom.distrange 15.53, 0,2, I'm hitting enter, and that's the correct answer for that probability problem. Hope this helps. I have extended your quiz 5, I guess, till Wednesday midnight. Hope that will be helpful for you and you can complete it on time this time. All right, see you soon.